Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Ford Focus Trend Hatch, stock reference number 5579. This shape runs from the 5th month 2011 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight. Bonnet appears to have no damage. Left power door mirror. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left front door has one small dent, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand taillight. Tailgate has one small dent. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has one small dent, right front door has two small dents and a light fold on the rear edge. Right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stacks control panel, display screen, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.